Are you a student trying to stretch your limited budget? Living on a tight budget can feel overwhelming. But worry not. We've got a practical solution for you. Today, we'll unveil an effective budget plan to manage your expenses, all under $300. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive into how to make the most of your money. First, let's break down essential expenses you may have. Think about housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Knowing where your money goes is vital. Next, we'll allocate funds for each category. Start with housing. If you live on campus, consider dorm costs. If off campus, find affordable shared housing. Aim for $100 or less there. Now, let's talk food. Eating out can drain your funds quickly. Instead, plan your meals ahead and cook at home. Budget around $75 for groceries each month. Transportation is next. Have you considered walking or biking? Both are free. If not, budget about $40 for public transport passes. Save money while keeping active. Entertainment is important too. Plan social activities with friends that won't break the bank. Allocate about $30. There are plenty of free or low-cost options like movie nights. Ready for an overview? You need to manage your budget wisely. Keep housing around $100, food at $75, transport at $40, and entertainment at $30. That's $245 total. This leaves you some cushion for emergencies or unexpected expenses. Before we wrap up, remember this budget plan is flexible. Adjust numbers as needed. Experiment and see what works for you. Taking charge of your finances can help eliminate stress. A structured budget makes student life more enjoyable. To sum it up, think about housing, food, transport, and entertainment. Stick to the budget categories we discussed for a simpler life. Are you ready to take control of your budget? Start today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Share your budget strategies in the comments. Let's support one another.